Environmental Performance Report. A report separate from a financial statement in which an entity provides third party with qualitative information on entities' commitments towards environmental aspects of the business. Its policies and target in the field, its achievement in managing the relationship between business process and environmental risk, and quantitative information on the environmental performance. So you have seen the financial report. We have no doubt in it. But they also give a separate report called performance report. That means how much we take. We have consumed this much liters of water. By the way, we have given back this much liter of water. We have planted this many trees. We have provided. We have set up an instrument that prevents or clean the exhaust system, which doesn't give harmful gas into environment. Or if this is the disposal process we use to prevent the chemical waste from our factory. Such kind of things is being said in this environmental performance report.